Hello, everyone. If you're trading crypto, stocks, or commodities, this message could completely change the way you look at the market. Most traders spend their time searching for the next big strategy. Today, it's a breakout strategy. Tomorrow, it's support and resistance. Next week, it's smart money concepts. Then it's indicators, price action, scalping, options, and so on. They keep jumping from one strategy to another, hoping that the next one will finally make them profitable. But here's the truth. The problem is usually not the strategy. The problem is the lack of mastery. The traders who consistently make money are not the ones who know 100 different strategies. They're the ones who have mastered one. One setup, one process, one edge. And they practice it over and over again until it becomes second nature. That's why I always say, practice one setup repeatedly. Become an expert. Think about any successful professional. A basketball player doesn't practice 1,000 different shots every day. They mastered the fundamentals. A musician doesn't learn hundreds of instruments at once. They spend years mastering one. A surgeon performs the same procedures repeatedly until precision becomes automatic. Why should trading be any different? Success comes from repetition. Success comes from consistency. Success comes from mastery. Let's say you choose a breakout setup. Instead of switching strategies every few weeks, commit to that setup. Study it. Backtest it. Journal every trade. Analyze every win and every loss. Learn how it behaves in different market conditions. After 50 trades, you'll start noticing patterns. After 100 trades, you'll gain confidence. After 300 trades, you'll begin recognizing opportunities faster than before. And after hundreds of hours of focused practice, you'll develop something that most traders never achieve: experience. Experience cannot be bought, it cannot be downloaded, and it definitely cannot be learned from watching a few videos online. Experience comes from screen time. It comes from repetition. It comes from doing the work. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is strategy hopping. They try a setup for 10 trades, lose money, then immediately move to another strategy. A few losses later, they switch again, and the cycle never ends. The result? No consistency, no confidence, no expertise. Remember this: every profitable strategy experiences losing trades. Every successful trader experiences drawdowns. Losses are part of the game. The goal isn't to avoid losses. The goal is to master your process. Because confidence doesn't come from winning. Confidence comes from preparation. When you've studied a setup hundreds of times, you stop guessing. You stop chasing. You stop trading based on emotions. Instead, you start making decisions based on data, experience, and discipline. That's when trading becomes simpler. That's when trading becomes more consistent. And that's when results begin to improve. So if you're serious about becoming a successful trader, make a commitment today. Stop searching for the perfect strategy. Stop chasing every new system you see online. Pick one setup. Learn it deeply. Practice it relentlessly. Track your progress. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. And give yourself enough time to become truly skilled. Because amateurs are always looking for the next strategy. Professionals master the one they already have. Remember this powerful principle: one setup, thousands of repetitions, complete discipline, long-term consistency. That's how experts are made. That's how confidence is built. And that's how successful traders are created. Thank you, and keep practicing.